Hello students, let us take another problem from relations and function. I present a problem before you. Check whether the relation R defined in the set containing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R is equal to a set containing order pair A comma B and the second order pair B is defined as A plus 1. A comma B where B is A plus 1 is an equivalence relation. So in this question, R is defined as A comma B and B is expressed as A plus 1. We have to check whether this R is an equivalence relation. Means we have to check whether R is an reflexive, symmetric and transitive. If R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then the relation will be called as equivalence relation. So let us check whether R is reflexive or not. To check R is reflexive, an order pair A comma A should belongs to R. But by this definition, A comma B and B is nothing but the first element plus 1. So if I say A comma A belongs to R, then A has to be equal to A plus 1, which is not possible. So therefore we write here that A is not, we write here as A is not equal to A plus 1, and this implies A comma A does not belongs to R, and therefore R is not reflexive. If R is reflexive, then A comma A should belong to R and A should be equal to A plus 1, which is not true. So since A is not equal to A plus 1, A comma A does not belong to R and therefore we write R is not reflexive. Now to show that R is symmetric, if I consider A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A should belongs to R. Then only R will be symmetric. So let us check whether R is symmetric or not. You write, let A comma B belongs to R, and as per definition, if A comma B belongs to R, then B is A plus 1. So this implies B equals to A plus 1. From this equation, what is A? B minus 1. A is equals to B minus 1, but the condition is A should be equal to B plus 1, then B comma A will belong to R. So from this given definition, we are getting A comma B. If I consider A comma B belongs to R, then we get B is as A plus 1, and from here A is nothing but B minus 1, and that is A is not equal to B plus 1, and therefore B comma A does not belongs to R. A is not equal to B plus 1 and therefore B comma A does not belong to R, and therefore R is not symmetric. Therefore R is not symmetric. If A is equal to B plus 1, then B comma A belongs to R and R will be symmetric. But in this case, B by definition B is A plus 1, and from here A is B minus 1, when A is not equal to B plus 1, therefore B comma A does not belong to R and therefore R is not symmetric. Now let us check whether this relation is transitive or not. In order to be relation to be transitive, if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C should belong to R, then only the relation is transitive. So let us check whether it is transitive or not. So let A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Therefore by definition, If A comma B belongs to R, then B is A plus 1 and C is B plus 1 by the definition. If C is B plus 1 but B is A plus 1, then what is C? In place of B, I am substituting value of B, that is A plus 1 plus this one. So C is equals to A plus 2. And when this relation will be transitive, if A comma C belongs to R and C is equals to A plus 1. But here I am getting C as A plus 2. Therefore, C is not equal to A plus 1 and therefore A comma C does not belongs to R and therefore R is not transitive. Therefore R is not transitive. And therefore I say that R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. And therefore R is not an equivalence relation. Therefore R is not an equivalence relation.